guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, in today's video, I am super excited to share a brand new way to earn additional income inside the Builderall business opportunity. If you have been looking at Builderall as a way to create income online, or if you've been looking to become an affiliate and align with our platform so that you can start helping other people build their business online, help other people use a tool and generate a growing monthly income with Builderall, well, you are going to want to stay tuned for this video because I am going to share with you how I was able to just earn an additional $900, okay, without really doing anything inside of the Builderall affiliate program with the brand new income stream that we have just added inside of the business opportunity. So if you want to know more about this brand new income stream that you have the potential to earn inside of Builderall as a Builderall affiliate, then keep on watching. Guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, well, I don't really talk a lot about money on this channel, but the truth of the matter is we're all here online building a business so that we can earn money, right? And how do we earn money? By serving others, by giving value, by helping other people, right? There's a saying by Zig Ziglar that says, the more you can help other people get what they want, you automatically get what you want, right? And it's kind of like the sowing and reaping principle, giving and receiving and all that good stuff. Well, Builderall has been honestly a blessing for me and my family. Ever since I got started with Builderall, I knew that it was the right affiliate opportunity for me. As someone with, a web design background and someone who was trying to make it in affiliate marketing already, and with some, failed attempts at network marketing, I just knew Builderall was the right thing for me because it had every single thing that I needed in order to create a passive residual income online. So when I got started with them, nothing really has changed. We still earn 100% commission on the very first sale. So when you sell Builderall, the Builderall membership to someone, you earn 100% commission on the first sale. And then you also earn a monthly residual for the lifetime that that person continues to pay their monthly bill. And that's great. And that's awesome. But the one thing we were really missing inside of Builderall were other opportunities to make money inside of our system. So you may or may not have heard of this little term called kind of like a value ladder. And so what a value ladder is it is kind of like a progressive way to start earning income as you go inside, a funnel. So for example, a little diagram right here, but you'll find that in a funnel, normally you have, a $7 product on the front end of the funnel, and then you escalate to like a $27, and then like a $300 product. And then at the end of the funnel, is where the residual income program is, right? Well, Builderall has pretty much only been, cash up front with your first sale, which is kind of a form of cash flow, and then residual on the back end. But now things have changed. Now we don't have an actual value ladder. There is no actual tripwire, but we have included now different opportunities to earn extra income inside of the Builderall business model. So I'm really excited as an affiliate because once they launch these different opportunities to make extra income, my income actually went up without doing any extra work, right? That's why it's so important to focus on building your team and really helping people get on the Builderall platform so that you can reap the benefit of these extra streams of income. So we have two main streams of income that have just been added to the Builderall business model. So I'm going to share with you what they are. Now, the first extra income stream is in the form of an upsell. So if you go into one of our funnels, I think specifically the dollar funnel, you can try Builderall for $1 for 30 days. After the person signs up for the dollar, right, they will get an upsell for some coaching sessions, right? And the coaching sessions are $99 for 3 coaching sessions. So what happens is, out of that $99, it is split in 3 ways. So in other words, if I sign up someone at the dollar and they take the $99 upsell, I earn 33 and my sponsor earns 33, which is really cool because he probably didn't even know that he was going to get those $33. And then the other $33 goes to the company, and Builderall does all the coaching sessions. You don't have to do them personally, which is a great benefit, because you don't have to know how to be a coach. You don't have to, schedule time out of your day if you're working or anything like that. Builderall will handle everything. So all you have to do is focus on marketing and promoting these funnels. So that's one extra way that Builderall has built in extra income streams inside of the Builderall business model. Now, the second way is through third-party vetted products, okay? And this is something that I absolutely love. As a matter of fact, this is one of the reasons that I have always loved the marketing system that I'm aligned with, which is called MLSP. I've talked about them before on my channel, but it's something that I really love, and Builderall is starting to adapt this strategy as well. And it is really fantastic, especially for the affiliates, right? So it's a win-win situation for both parties. So basically, this extra income stream is as follows. Our prospects, ourselves, we as people, we're going to buy we're going to buy products whether the company that you're aligned with is offering them or not. Okay. So let's say, for example, if I need a marketing product to make me a better marketer, I'm going to go look for it. Whether the company that I'm aligned with has it or not, I'm going to go look for it. It's the same for any industry. If you are with a network marketing company, okay, and your prospect needs something like, let's say, for example, they want to buy a workout outfit, right? But you only sell the shake. Well, guess what? They're going to go outside of your company and they're going to go buy that workout outfit. Now, if you're smart, you're going to build a business model where you are an affiliate for some sort of workout outfit company, and every time your prospect purchases an outfit, you're going to make a commission. Well, think of Builderall as doing the exact same thing. So what they've done is they have vetted products from other third-party companies that align with something that we're already doing. For example, just recently, they aligned with an AdSense course, right, to teach you how to earn AdSense from both search and from content marketing on a Builderall website. And so when someone purchased that course inside of the Builderall network, because you have sponsored that person who bought that course, you automatically earn a commission from that, okay? And, the products vary. Some products are going to be $200. Some products are going to be $1,000. And, on a $1,000 product, I just earned 20% commissions, and I had 3 or 4 people buy. So I have close to $1,000 in extra commissions because we just had a product offering the other day for a reverse search Instagram tool, and it was a really hot seller. People absolutely loved it. So as people in my downline purchased, guess what? Those are automatic commissions for me. So basically, people that are already in the Builderall system, they went to the webinar, they attended, they saw the product offer, they purchased, and now through the Builderall internal super checkout, which is kind of like our in-house affiliate program for third-party products, the sponsor automatically earns that extra income. So now we have so many ways to make money inside of Builderall, including our flagship offer, which is one of our memberships, right? To use our tools, our platform, and everything that we have available inside of the membership. And now we have this new coaching upsell, and we have this third-party vetted, training products where you can also earn additional commissions. So even though it's not quite a value ladder, because a value ladder progresses, it is multiple streams of income inside of the Builderall business model. So now more than ever, it's the right time to become a Builderall affiliate. And right now, if you're on my team and you're listening and you're watching, now is the time to really go out there and start inviting more people to check out Builderall, because as an affiliate, you're just going to start earning more and more and more money the bigger your team gets. So it is absolutely incredible. It's life-changing, and Yeah, I am so grateful to be a Builderall affiliate. So if you want to learn more about the Builderall tools, because really that's where it starts. You need to really have an understanding and a love for the platform, I believe, in order to sell it to others. So I've prepared a presentation for you so that you learn a little bit more about Builderall and the type of bonuses and training and share funnels and all that good stuff that you would get access to if you signed up for a premium plan inside of my team, which is Team Rise. And we also have some really cool premium funnels that I've also created for those that want to promote those premium funnels as well inside of our team. I've got all kinds of goodies and stuff for you once you activate a premium plan. I'm super excited because, like I said, I don't talk about money very often on my channel, but I've been able to earn over 6 figures with Builderall so far, and now they have made it just that much easier for us to continue to earn growing passive income. So if you are looking for a solid affiliate marketing program that has cash flow, upsells, residual, and passive income built into the business model, I highly encourage you to check Builderall out. So I will leave some links right below this video, and if you have any questions whatsoever, I will also have my contact information where you can contact me on Facebook if you have any other questions. All right, but go ahead and check out my link right below this video. You can even activate a 14-day free trial, check out the tool yourself, get some free training while you're at it, and learn everything you know to become an affiliate so that you can go out there and start creating your own little digital empire inside of Builderall. All right, guys and gals, well, hopefully you are excited about this new way to make more money inside of Builderall. If you are, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com and one of Builderall's top affiliates. I am so grateful to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.